In 3, 2, 1. He wasn't boy and she wasn't girl. Can I make it any more obvious? He was a punk and she did ballet. What more can I say? He wanted her and she never tell that secretly she wanted him as well. But all of her friends stuck up their nose. They had a problem with his baggy clothes. He was a skater boy, she said see you later boy. He wasn't good enough for her. She had a pretty face, but her head was up in space. She needed to come back down to earth. And 5 years from now, she sits at home, feeding the baby, she's all alone. She turns on TV, and guess who she sees? Sk8ER Boy rocking up MTV. She calls up her friends, they already know, and they've all got tickets to see a show. She tags along, stands in the crowd, look up at the man that she turned down. He was a skater boy, she said see you later boy. He wasn't good enough for her. Now he's a superstar, slamming on his guitar. Does your pretty face see what he's worth? He was a skater boy, she said see you later boy. He wasn't good enough for her. And now he's a superstar, strumming on his guitar. Does your pretty face see what he's worth? Sorry girl, but you missed out. Well, tough luck, that boy's mine now. We are more than just good friends. This is how the story ends. Too bad that you couldn't see the man that boy could be. There is more than meets the eye. I see the soul that is inside. He's just a boy and I'm just a girl. Can I make it any more obvious? We are in love, haven't you heard how we rock each other's world? I'm the skater boy, I said see you later boy. I'll be backstage after the show. I'll be at the studio singing the songs we wrote about the girl you used to know. I'm with the skater boy, I said see you later boy. I'll be backstage after the show. I'll be at the studio singing the song we wrote about the girl we used to know. We did it. What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this ukulele cover and play along for Sk8ER Boy by Avril Lavigne on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. My analytics show me that over 70% of people that watch these videos and come back and watch more of my videos, they have not hit that red subscribe button. So please double check down below. If the subscribe button looks like this and it is red, please click it. It is free to join the Uke fam. Come join the best Uke fam on the YouTubes. We're getting so much closer to 100,000 subscribers. So please double check down below. If you've watched a few of my videos, come on, it's free. Subscribe down below. Also, I'll leave a link in the description for this uke. This is a solid mahogany Enya ukulele. It is a tenor size uke. I absolutely love it. If you've watched any of my previous videos, you know that I like to play this uke a lot. Not only because the quality is amazing, the sound is amazing, but also it doesn't break the bank because it is super affordable. So I'll leave a link down below for this uke especially. I absolutely love it. So thank you, Enya, for making awesome ukes. Also down below will be links to the merch if you do want to support this channel. This is the Potato Squad hoodie, which as you can see has a little potato on it. I'm hitting the mic, but we also do have a bunch of other merch on that website. And finally, links to all of my socials. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, friend me, send me a DM letting me know what video you came from. And please leave your comments down below with your song recommendations or future video requests that you want to see on this channel. I always love reading what you guys want to see on this channel in the future, and also your song recommendations, because usually they're on point. They're pretty awesome. So I love hearing what you want to see on this channel. But that is it for me. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.